everyone, this is Parvati here from Paru's Craftology. Today we'll be making a DIY wall decor using Craftreat, Stencil and some Craftreat chalk paints. So to start with, I am gessoing my base. I am using a MDF plank here. Applying a coat of black gesso. And this is a stencil that we are planning to use. It's one of the latest releases from Craftreat, and the design is very pretty and it's a must-have in anyone's stash. So the idea that I had was to have a very colorful, vibrant panel as a wall decor. So you'll see me using multiple vibrant shades of chalk paints here. All the chalk pens used here are from Craftreat. I'm using a stencil brush to dab on the paint on to get the impression of the stencil here, and while using a stencil brush or using a stencil, always ensure that you are dabbing off the excess of paint from your brush, else there will be color bleeding and you won't get a perfect imprint of your stencil. So that's a tip for you. I wanted the center sentiment to stand out differently, so I'm using a texture paste here. Carefully just covering the sentiment alone and trying not to go over the floral area. Now as it's all different color, it was all popping out separately. I wanted it to have a single blend, so for that I used some gold acrylic paint and just roughly dabbed it around the entire stenciled area. And to highlight my sentiment further, I am just using some gold acrylic again, and just over that area I am just applying a very nice coat of gold. And look at that, effortlessly we have created a beautiful background, a beautiful plank, just by using some chalk pens and a single stencil from Craftreat. I wanted to make it like a frame for a wall decor, so I used this wreath, and then later on I added some flowers. These flowers are all from Prima, and to the main flower I'm just adding some smaller flowers that are complementing and colors that are based in our main focal stenciled area. And finally, to match the gold inside, I'm just roughly dabbing some gold on the wreath as well. And some on the flowers too, so that there's uniformity and Now to finish off the project, I added some lace. This is just to put it on to some hook on wall, and our wall decor piece is ready to go. Hope you guys enjoyed watching the process video. This is my final project, and thank you for watching. Till we meet again, it's Parvati signing off. Bye bye.